Because today we'll have it, today we'll have it, today we'll have it fun at Ethan's place.
You're now watching Ethan Trains TV on YouTube.
Start. Hey guys, Ethan today. Welcome to this episode of the Anvil SMP. Today's episode, I have no idea what we're doing. The duck person should be coming in a few. So yeah. Anyways, let's get into the game. So here we go. Okay. So last episode we did was we yeah, he joined. Last episode I forgot what we did. But okay. Say hi to the duck person. Say hi to the duck person. Wherever the duck person is. I fell. That's funny.
TNT forced me to join.
No, it's 2:16 in the morning.
I know, I'm so tired.
Well, not to you.
I'm so tired, Ethan. Why did you wake me up?
I didn't wake you up.
Password is our channel thing, B3T.
Okay.
No capitals.
Hey, guess what I did? I hated you.
Someone?
I hit you.
Oh, how did that zombie get in?
I don't actually know.
TNT is following you.
Also, where the hell's my dog? Oh yeah,
What?
I killed it. Wait. Something happened.
Help me do
Something.
stuff on the base?
Something happened to my dog. Wait.
Didn't Bella die by a creeper?
Oh, I mean Bella.
Or did you get another one?
No, I didn't. I still miss her.
You can breed my dogs and get another one.
Okay. That'll work.
I have
How
two
do you-
black ones.
How do you breed dogs?
I don't know, but they're sitting right as the cave entrance. That's not
I'll
dangerous.
sort it up. How to breed
Now's my
dog?
chance, guys. Now's my chance.
Meat.
Ready?
So like steak. So probably
I
like steak.
picked you as well.
So probably like steak. 1 second. I want to get the achievement. I don't think I don't think I have the achievement.
The parrots and the bats.
I don't think I do.
Oh wait, I haven't put the buckets we got last episode back.
Edible
Wait,
box.
are we
I'm so sorry for
recording
you. We are recording.
Yeah, we are.
Edible box. I'm so
Okay,
sorry for you.
I'm gonna swear now.
No. Well,
Isn't the no swearing thing my rule?
that's your wolf. If you want to break it, be my guest.
We need more arrows. Are you
Okay.
gonna make fun of my accent again?
Accents. Whoa. I thought
I
I'd.
have so many bits.
Hold on. What if I got rotten flesh?
Also, guys, due to last video blowing up, thank you so much. We got 20 views. The series shall keep going.
Yeah, what he said. Wait, what?
blew up.
Can I kebab chicken?
Oh, there's a zombie. I was leaving the base and there was a zombie.
Did you just watch it on repeat? How do I breed your dogs?
How do you breed my dogs?
Whoa.
With meat, of course.
No, that's what I just searched up.
Oh, and depending on what day Ethan releases this video, join my Bloodlet.
No.
Ethan's Bloodlet sucks.
Okay, it has to be done by you. It has to be done by you, I think.
Okay. You and you.
Yo.
Do you need to be dead?
Yay, it's a puppy. Don't suffocate. Who's suffocating? No.
Me.
Oh, I thought it was the dog.
What am I doing?
Wait, hold on.
Where am I?
Oh, it's yours. Hold on. You have 3 dogs now. Hold on.
I have 3 dogs.
Yeah, hold on. 1 second.
But I don't want 3 dogs.
How about if I get...
I'm gonna kill one.
Okay, please do.
Hey, why do you want me to kill my dogs?
Please do. I don't like dogs. I want a puppy though. Okay, I have 2 more. Can you unset them? Can
Ethan,
you?
wanna help me build my base?
Well, I wanna kill this dog first.
Thank you, Ethan.
Can you unsit this real quick?
If you kill my dog, the others are gonna be at you.
Okay. So you? No. Wait. You? Wait.
Run, doggies! Run from him!
Hold on 1 second. I'll be back.
Run from the bad man.
1 second. I have to go get steak.
Run from the bad man.
Okay, dude. I am bad. How about a wall pork chop?
I'm invisible.
Cool. I don't care.
Doggies, back to the spot.
No. Where are you? Haha, I found you.
No, you didn't.
How do I make them not hungry?
Oh, they're gonna kill you. Oh, how did my wolves kill you and you didn't kill them?
Do they like me anymore?
I mean, yeah, I'm guessing they do. Come on, doggies. Don't die.
Please die.
Why are you so against dogs?
I'm not.
Guys, this is
Where are your dogs?
This is the guy you subscribed to.
I killed all kinds of dogs. Where's the dogs at?
I need a barrel.
Of course you do.
I've been a nasty. That's not appropriate on this channel.
Hold on. Your dogs keeps... What, Dr. Jack?
You missed your checkup.
I know, right?
You missed your checkup. That is not acceptable.
Hey, can I kill your baby?
Tired.
Can I kill your baby?
No. Hell no.
Can I kill it now?
No. Why?
Can I kill it now?
Why?
Because I can't bully them anymore.
Why? You gotta wait 5 minutes, even if you kill the baby. This is basic Minecraft knowledge.
Can I kill it again?
No.
Okay, I'll kill it.
Ethan's killing my dogs.
Can I do
Okay,
it?
not if the dogs kill you first. Give me a sec. Oh wait, why is that dog seated? Okay, go.
Come on, man.
I hit you, so they would attack you. I'm getting 10 frames per second, is that right?
Why can't I point them anymore? Oh.
You gotta wait 5 minutes.
Well, I did. Okay. Yay, I have a dog!
You have a dog. One of the, all the dogs.
Oh!
Take off your wither armor.
I mean, oh no. Beep that out, bro.
Beep that. If you don't beep that, wait, what? Oh, never mind. I don't care.
It killed me,
Don't
by
die,
the way.
don't die.
It killed me, by the way.
Come on, doggies. I'm keeping my dog seated at all time.
Wait. How many dogs do they have now?
I don't know, I haven't had a look.
Wait, I'm just...
You gotta sit. You gotta sit. Sit! So dummy. Wait, no, blur that. Bleep that.
Hey,
I'm joking.
you have this dog
I mean,
too.
Technically, it's not fully a swear word.
Dummy.
Technically. Dummy. Is that my dog or
No,
your dog?
it's mine. But I can't... It's also yours. At the same time.
Oh, it's mine.
I can kill it.
My dog's... No! Ethan's trying to kill a dog. My dogs are angry at you. Do you hear them growl?
Yeah! I think they like me.
I'm sorry. No, come here. I have to do this.
I think they like me. Come on. Nope.
I have to look like an alpha.
I want Bella. I want Bella back. She died a couple episodes ago.
We need to revive Bella from the dead. You know how we're gonna do a ritual.
I found a donkey.
Just so you know, if I unsit any of my dogs, they're just gonna try and find you immediately. So like,
I have to die.
yeah, come here. I did to kill you.
I'm trying to find the thing. I'm trying to find wolves or dogs.
Follow me. I saw someone right here. Where are you? Come on, let's go to Bella's graves first.
Oh, I peep Bella. I died too. I died at Bella's grave.
Do I have to go rest in peace TNT as well?
Yeah.
I
Nice.
got to do some terraforming soon. Want to help me?
No, I want a new dog.
Come here, Ethan.
Killed by creeper. R.I.P. Bella.
Pay your respects. Pay your respects.
Here's meat. No, hey.
I put the meat in the chest.
Ooh, I can take that bone. I'm joking.
Hey, leave Bella's bone.
Bye, Bella.
I need to add a TNT head. Oh, we need a wolf head.
Okay, I'll kill one of the dogs.
Not mine. That will give you a black wolf dog. We need... I sound racist.
Black wolf dog.
We need a pale wolf dog. Isn't that the Minecraft term?
That's my alarm to go to sleep.
Don't.
I know, wait. I'm not sleeping until 3.
Sleep sucks.
I know, wait. I'm trying. Wait, there's a village over here? I never knew this information.
Wait, there's a village? I'm going.
Yeah, come over here. There's a village. I'm trying to find a doggo. I never knew we were right next to Anvil's home. Or did I travel too far?
Ethan, come here. I got bones. I got 50 bones.
We are next to Anvil's home.
Come here.
Hey, we are neighbors with Anvil. We are neighbors with Anvil.
Cool.
Did you?
Come here, right in front of me.
Did you know that we are neighbors with Anvil?
No, wait. Stand still. Okay, fly to the village. I got 50 bones with me.
This is great transportation.
I know. It's cheaper. Maybe we should do this more often.
Oh,
It's cheaper. I don't have a hoe.
Anvil.
Ethan, that was you.
Anvil, I'm sorry.
Ethan, that's you.
Anvil, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Anvil.
Ethan, that's you.
I'm sorry, Anvil.
Ethan, that's your fault.
I know. I hope Anvil doesn't watch these videos.
Hopefully. Wait, wouldn't you hope Anvil watches your videos? I mean, Anvil is popular.
Well,
I'm stuttering. Get me the stutter.
I've met Anvil because I had to ask if we can use some music in the shows.
In real life or just like DMs/Minecraft?
In DM/Minecraft. I basically talked to Anvil. Because I had to ask if I can use music. Oh, I just went. I ran out of rockets.
I was online when Anvil was online once.
Hey, I ran out of rockets.
There's some more.
Oh.
My elytra broke unless you're giving me yours.
No. Okay, let's find some dogs.
Oh wait, there's the village.
Yeah, over here.
We lived right next to a village.
And we live right next to the silver owner.
Ah!
You kind of dropped.
I'm wet. Oh. Do you want to get more rockets for you there? I restocked it. Also sleep. I'm looking for sheep.
In real life or in Minecraft?
Minecraft, definitely.
Both?
Never do it in real life, that's dangerous.
I know, right? It's very unhealthy for you, right?
Yes, so unhealthy. I mean, like, us Minecrafters, we get at least 2 hours of sleep every night.
Basically what we do. We get 2 hours of sleep every night.
It's a lot. I wish I got less, but like...
Yeah, me too. It's too much.
Sleep.
It's too much sleep, guys.
Sleep in Minecraft.
It's too much sleep.
Sleep in Minecraft.
All we do is sleep in Minecraft.
Sleep, eat, game, repeat.
Basically how this works. What are the
When
sounds?
holidays come,
What are those sounds in the background?
those are crows starting to go somewhere because it's beginning to nighten.
It's getting to look a lot like Christmas. I don't know.
Everywhere you go.
Okay, let's start. Imagine we do a cover of that. Okay,
you know
Duck
what?
Person.
Sure, I'll record.
No, I'm joking.
Ready?
No. Okay, Duck
It's
Person.
beginning to look a lot like Christmas. No, I'm joking.
Everywhere you go.
Your voice in my videos.
Here.
Hey, someone else is mining up out to chunk. That's nice.
No, sit on my head. Sit on my head.
Give me a sec.
Sit on my
I'm
head.
getting some wool.
Sit in my head.
I'm getting wool. There's a bunch of sheep here. Over Patrick's house. I need wool.
I just killed one.
Why would you kill it? Where's some... No, wait. I got Shia.
Well...
What if someone came up to you and killed you? Oh wait, that's basically my job.
Basically. Don't do it.
Anyway, I can sit on your head now. Here.
Sit on my head.
Did you just say the SH word?
No, I said sit.
Okay, good.
But let's have a tour on Anvil SMP. Alright? Cancel.
What?
Let's do a tour around Anvil SMP.
Sure.
Okay. Where should we start off?
Let's start at spawn. Oh wait, actually, go to spawn, SD, and then there's the minecarts.
Okay. You know what? Okay. Let's go to SD, guys.
No, I'm dying.
SD, bro. SD.
Are you trying to kill me?
Okay, time to go to XD. XD. Four, 3, 2, 1. Did he say spawn or SD?
Did you bring some iron?
No. Actually, I have 62.
Okay, bring some. We're gonna need it.
Where are you at, bro?
I'm over here at the head shop. Wonder if they can you craft 2 minecarts real quick? I'm just gonna see what they sell.
Sure, hold on.
They're selling a lot of echo plays right now.
How many minecarts? 2?
Just 2, please. Mini blocks. Ooh, tier 3 heads. That's a new one.
Here. There's a minecart.
Ooh, nice. Tier 2 heads. Nice.
Is there
tier 1 heads.
is there a TNT head somewhere?
There's Life Series heads. I bought a few of those. Oh, I forgot that there was a real short plushie in there, but it was 320 diamonds.
Guys, I'm being sold off for 3 diamonds.
Wait, what? Are you in there?
No, I'm joking. I wish.
Oh. Oh wait, you're in this chest. I did it. Being sold off for 3 diamonds. Lose. Okay, we're going to the mall, and no flying. Go.
What?
Just a quick competition. I said no flying.
I don't listen.
Okay, I'm breaking in.
We should gamble in a few. After this.
Sure. Let's gamble, but first, you got your minecart?
Yep, I have my minecart.
Follow me. We're both gonna go on this. Press the button.
Yay!
I'm turning my Minecraft sound down.
Me
You
too!
should probably do the same if you want it to be entertaining.
It's annoying. Where are we going? Okay.
Turn on your Minecraft sound.
Okay. Over here is some pretty cool buildings.
Yeah. Oh, there's the secret life thing.
Oh,
Someone rebuilt it.
hold on. Wait. I'm kind of not with you right now. Can you stop?
Now we're in a tunnel.
Wait. Okay, hold on. I'm catching up.
How far are you? I kinda can't because I just have to watch your POV.
Okay. So these are some trees.
Yeah. I'm at a station right now.
Can you wait?
I can't. None of the things are off. None of them are turned off.
Aww.
No. Wait, what if I just... Aw. Ethan, I'm at spawn.
Why are you at spawn?
I don't know, this is where the minecart's taking me.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
And then now I'm going past the arena.
This is I forgot
Oh.
who's his name thing. I forgot who built them, to be honest. I forgot that this was here. Yo, Jack.
What?
I'm here. No.
I didn't break it. Good luck.
No, Jack. Wait. I have it.
What? Nice. Where are you?
Okay, I'm ready. You ready? Go.
Go!
Oh, hold on. Okay. Here I go.
Okay, now we're under spawn. It's very slow at that part. Oh wait, am I supposed to be holding down W?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're just going through. Yes.
Man, this thing's barely built. Hi, Jack.
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Jack. How about you, Ethan?
I'm Ethan.
Nice.
Or TNT.
Okay, we're under spawn, I think.
Yeah. I'm surprised this didn't get taken down when they did like a revamp of Spawn.
I don't think Ash even finished.
I don't think.
Ooh, it's like a little cave. Ah!
I can back up.
It's too steep. Why is it going up now? No, my minecart's leaving me. Okay, TNT.
What?
I'm continuing. I'm leaving you.
Well, I'm here.
Why's... Give me a sec. It got stuck. Sorry.
Here.
Where did my minecart go?
Right there.
Thank you. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Set.
This truck needs to be fixed.
Yeah, it does. Ready? Set. Go!
Go!
Wait. This needs to be fixed. Hold on. Well, you can't hold on, but yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I feel so bad for Paul Box who has to edit all the stuff.
Rip. Ah! My minecart disappeared without me.
Haha. I'm coming! Hi, Jack. Bye, Jack.
Hi, bye.
Oh! I found you can kill minecart. Oh, nope, it's leaving without us.
Oh no!
I'll grab your minecart. Okay, here.
There's a boss creeper somewhere.
Do you have your minecart?
Yes, I do. Do you see that boss bar?
Yeah, it's somewhere.
I found it.
Where? Where?
There's particles.
Where at? Oh, I see it. Well, no, I don't see it. I don't see it anymore.
Are you killing it?
No. Oh, it's down there.
It's over here.
Oh, I see it. Ash, come on! Come online. He's breaking stuff.
Don't kill it. Don't
Okay.
die before we get to you. Where are you?
It's down there. Yo.
Down.
Wait there. No. Well, yeah.
No! Ethan!
Be careful out there.
Oh. It's not there anymore. I'm gonna do a random teleport.
Okay.
And then when I get there, I'm killing sheep.
Me too. And I'm gonna go find a wolf.
Oh, there's a doggy. I'll tame it. Can you sleep?
I'm kind of not where I am. It's 2:50 in the morning.
2:50?
Yeah.
I told Ethan to go to sleep, but he wouldn't listen.
And now I'm over making an episode. Until
I totally told him.
Until I find like a wolf.
Maybe you should name this episode I Need a Dog!
Yeah. Okay. Thanks for the episode idea.
Give us suggestions in the comments.
Give me advice.
Yeah, give him advice. He's trying to get a job.
Hey, no.
Oh wait, sorry, what sentence to that? I just said a bad word.
Bad. Bad duck. Bad.
Job.
Bad duck.
Job's a bad word.
Bad job. I mean, bad duck.
I got dog. Another one.
I'm trying to find you.
I can save this as a home and let you teleport.
No. I want to find you manually. I might have to walk soon.
You got 5 minutes to a day.
No. It's 2:52 in the morning.
I mean in Minecraft.
Oh. Ooh! An ancient portal. Oh, I'm officially out of luck. It's okay.
Oh, that sucks.
These girls should do a wedding cake. But babe, we already ordered a wedding.
How are you?
I'm still trying to find you.
Good luck. Hey, Waltz, you should make this a time lapse.
Yeah, please do.
I can give you my time lapse music if you like.
I don't know. I am the time lapse music guy. Up, I'm at 1 heart. Can you sleep? No,
No.
my electric broke.
Ooh, that sucks. Would you like to teleport?
Sure.
Okay, home. Spare.
Spell.
Edit. Yeah, I just have a home called spare. Relocate. Life. Privacy. And then we're gonna make spare private. I mean public.
Public home.
Yeah. So phone, life, spare.
Siblings are right.
I know. Give me a sec, I'll mute my mic so you don't hear background.
This guy.
This guy, what?
Hey,
Should I
dude.
kill you?
No, you have a dog.
Hi. I couldn't wait. There's another one.
Well,
I know it.
I have 5
I
bones.
stole it.
I
Here,
have 5
I will
bones.
give you some of mine. Only a few.
This came from the flesh of Bella. I'm joking.
What?
I'm joking.
I didn't kill Bella.
Yeah,
If I
yeah, you did.
unset my dog, you cannot hit me. Because if you hit me, my dog will kill you.
Can I do that? I'm joking. This guy, he's punching a tree.
What?
He's punching
I'm
a
not
tree.
punching a tree.
Now he is.
Yeah, I'm punching a tree. I lost all my.
Wait, I think a dog died.
No, it's the teleport.
Oh, I thought I seen the thing of your thing.
Nope, I did. I'm gonna see if I can jump into the water. Probably.
JumpingJackJett. Why would you jump in a cat?
JumpingJackJett. Because I'm jumping. Jet!
I don't think your siblings are okay.
Hey, I found a dog. Come here. There's villagers. I found a dog.
Hold on. I have to go get a rocket fast. 1 second.
I'm at foam spare. Come before I think it's gonna die and I tame it.
Where are you at? Where's it at? It's a wolf. Let's
My
go!
headphones basically are dying, so... Do you see it?
Yeah. Okay, it's time to end this episode here. So guys, I hope you guys liked this episode. If you did, please subscribe. And now Jack would do my outro.
Like, subscribe, I will see you all next time.
Good.
B3T.
Goodbye!